In Ireland, there is an old saying, An rud a líonadh san túil, líonainn sé an crí. What fills the eye, fills the heart. This proverb, or seanachal, is a gentle reminder that what we see and experience can deeply move and shape our emotions and inner life. The eye is seen as a gateway to the soul, an anam, the soul. What captivates us visually, the glint of light through the trees, a loved one's expression, a sunlit hillside, also claims the heart. This is the realm of the numinous, the mysterious, awe-filled presence that touches us beyond reason or logic. This fills the eye in such a way that the heart trembles, expands, and recognizes something larger moving through the moment. The soul recognizes the sacred in what it beholds. An rud a líonadh san túil, líonainn sé an crí.